Afternoon YouTube, this is Dustin with Moldings Etc. I have an SCM Sandya 1S 36 inch 230 volt 3-phase sander that is going to be for sale. I would consider it a project machine as we have a groove in the drum. I don't have, well, I've got the belt on it right now. It is a groove that will need to be dealt with, that either needs to be dressed out or repaired completely, whether recoat or not. It is a platen machine. I have the platen pulled out of it because they grooved that as well, so that'll need to be repaired. Everything else on the machine functions as it should. There's one thing on it I never used, that when I bought it I didn't really get into using it at all, so they said it works. I never used it. I don't know if it works or not. But the thicknessing sensor. Everything on the machine functions as it should otherwise. We've got our up and down that work as they should. Our feed mat speed, 2-speed, slow speed, high speed. There is a cross tear in the mat. It does not affect operation. It could be run as it is. It did not affect anything we did. There it is right there. See it as it goes by. So the feed mat is in okay shape. All the pneumatics work on it. The e-brakes work. The pressure brake here works. I will go ahead and start the main motor after I push the start button again. Like I said, it is in working condition except for that groove in the drum and the platen needing to be repaired. It is a project machine. Thank you very much.